but a special guest with me. So she is a second year college student. So could you please introduce yourself?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Desiana Watinda Pete, and currently I'm studying in Jawa Tengah.
So let's see, where are you from?
Oh, I'm from my I come from in Papua. You know
Papua? Yes, I know Papua. So what is your course?
My course in English education in UIN Kiai Haji Abdul Rahman
Good. Okay, that's good. So how are you?
I'm great. How about you, Mira?
I'm fine. So now, let's start with a simple question. So how's your college life?
Thank you for inviting me, Jumaira. I'm happy to be here. We all know that college life is hard sometimes. Life is hard, right? So I can say that my college life is hard sometimes, but it's also enjoyable.
Yeah, that's a reality of being a college student. So what do you think is the hardest part of your college life?
The hardest part of me is managing my time. There are many assignments, and sometimes I don't know what to do first.
Okay, because time management it is very important.
Yes.
So at the same time, it is difficult to follow. So do you have any tips for other who also struggle with this?
Maybe writing, playing, or making a schedule helps, and of course, having self-discipline is most important for managing our time.
Okay, that's a good idea. Now let's talk about something memorable. So what is your favorite moment in college?
My favorite college moment is my favorite college moment is joining clubs because I was excited and happy to meet new people, church to clubs.
Yes, club is so enjoyable. So as a second year college student, how do you think your first year was different from this?
It's not so enjoyable.
Yeah.
No. I'm sorry. My first year was harder because everything was new. Now I feel more comfortable and then know how things work better.
Okay, that's great to hear. Because college life is a mix of hard and happy moment. So do you have plans after your life?
Yes, I do as an English education major. I plan to teach English English in high school or college after graduation.
That's a good plan. So I hope you achieve your goals. So now let's proceed to balancing college life. So balancing everything can be challenges for many students. So how do you manage to balance your studies and personal activities?
It's not always easy, but I try to set boundaries. For example, I focus on studying during the weekdays and keep my weekends free for relaxing or spending time with friends and family.
That's a great strategy. So do you ever feel overwhelmed trying to keep up with everything?
free time. I spend my free time with my loved ones, and then going to the park or shopping. Sometimes I also watch Korean dramas.
Oh, that's great. So that's great.
So I'm so glad to be surrounded by good people. Alhamdulillah.
yes, alhamdulillah. College life can be overwhelming. So, have you faced any major challenges beside time management?
Yes, I struggled with homesickness
Yes.
during my first year being away from my family was too much.
Oh, that's relatable. So, how did you cope with it?
I stayed in touch with my family church, video calls, and met a friends who become like a family.
Okay, that's inspiring. Do you think joining clubs or extracurricular activities help?
Definitely, it made me feel more comfortable and helped me adjust to college life.
Okay, so academic pressure is common for students. So how do you stay motivated with this schedule?
I remind myself of my goals and why I'm here. Also, rewarding myself after completing tasks keeps me motivated.
Oh, self-reward it is the best reward. So what kind of rewards do you give yourself?
Simple things like watching movie, eating my favorite food, and going out with my friends.
Okay, that's a smart way to keep going. So friendship and networking are a big part of college life. So how do you make and maintain friendship?
Actually, I'm a shy but type
Yeah.
of person. But I try to be friendly and open to conversations. Joining a group project and clubs also helped me meet new people.
Yes, networking is important for the future too. So how do you attend any college events to build connections?
Mm. Yes, I've joined a few seminar and workshop. They are great for learning and meeting new people.
Oh, I see. Because meeting new people is such a great experience. So, but before we end our conversation, do you have any advice or tips for new college students?
Yes. To upcoming college students, don't be scared to try new things. And then because college is a time to learn, grow, and be independent.
Okay, thank you, Miss Desi. Thank you very much, Miss Desi, for sharing your opinion, experience, and advice as well. So it's been great talking with you. It's been yeah.
Thank you for having me, Jakarta.
And thank you for everyone listening. This is college life.